Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to be doing the demo video of our cool lava lamp. So here's an overview of everything it came with. First, let's put in the water beads. Now we need these other colorful beads. Look at their pretty colors. Now we need the shiny ones. These are moon-shaped. Make sure to get them all in. It looks so colorful already. And last but not least, we need to add the sparkles. Now it's time to add the water. Don't forget to add the water up to the line. Look at how glittery it looks. A little more water. Now it's time to add some color. Now it's time to add your favorite decoration piece. I like the flamingo. Now it's time to screw the lid on. And once you put your batteries in, you have to twist your lava lamp to turn it on. I hope you liked today's video. Bye!